Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, dear Helen. Happy birthday, dear Helen. Happy birthday, dear Helen. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Helen. May you have many, 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 many more.
To be honest, I did not see this coming. So my friend Jackie asked me if I could go see her in Thika. So I went. Okay, according to her, I was supposed to go pick some gifts that came from her sister all the way from Belgium. Thank you, Lucy. I got everything. So when I was there, I noticed that Jackie never wanted me to leave, even though I was in a hurry, not knowing that she had this surprise for me. To be honest, she did surprise me. It caught me off guard for sure. Thank you so much, Jackie, for always being there, and I did enjoy this day. Welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone. So this is actually the next day after my birthday, and my family had planned this day. We were supposed to meet as siblings, which we did. We were going all the way to Ngong, place called Kimuka, for a meetup as we celebrate my birthday and also my brother's birthday, which is actually 3 days after me. We were born in the same month but not the same year. So this is us on our way to Ngong. I was in the car with friends and family. So enjoy the views, enjoy this video, don't skip, make sure you watch until the very end. So this is us. We already joined the Ngong Suswa road, and this road has views and sceneries. It's only that the GoPro was not able to do justice, because with GoPro you cannot zoom while you're filming. It doesn't work like that. It's either you zoom before, and I noticed with GoPro, if you zoom, the quality of the video does not come out nice. So I just decide to vlog like that. But this road has views. So here we are heading to our destination for the day. So guys, we are here in Kimuka for my birthday. My birthday was yesterday, the 27th of September, and my brother is on Tuesday, 30th of September. So my family members, my brothers and sisters, my nieces and nephews decided we come here in Kimuka for meet. So this is where we are, and I'm loving the place, I'm loving the views. They say that in Kimuka they have very nice meat. So let me go meet my family members and we enjoy the day. So come with me.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out.
When you see it from outside, you can say something about it.
True.
I agree.
Outside, never judge a book by its cover.
Just cover the book.
Just cover the book.
Okay.
Outside, it looks
Different.
Kenyan,
But inside,
look at serenity.
yeah, it's nice. Yeah. The environment, the air, we are breathing fresh air. It's very nice. We are not doing any
Wakikuyu
advertisement.
wanasema
The
riera.
place is very nice.
YouTuber.
Yes, Kimani, YouTuber. Yeah. This is So we are going for a nature walk with my niece and another niece and another niece. Where are they? All of them. This place has a nature walk. They have games, board games. We saw board games.
They have board games. They charge
100 for the board game. But it's a nice place. Also the road trip, you know, away from Nairobi shenanigans. Oh, this is what she is saying. And they have I think here the nature walk is just here. They just have more space there.
I think these are the rooms for sleeping.
Oh, they have rooms, Oh, it looks like. So we can't go beyond here. We can't go beyond here, but anyway. But I'm loving the nature. Oh yeah, this one looks like a accommodation area. Yeah. So this is the nature walk, guys. So let's see. I hope there are no other snakes in Ngong, you guys.
Yeah.
They are there. Naweza toka kijiko. By the way, it's a nature walk for sure. You see, if we eat and come for the nature walk, we will be lazy. Yeah. So
We'll be too full.
say your name.
I'm Hannah.
This is Hannah, our candidate. This is Caro.
Yes.
To say what you do.
I'm a counseling psychologist, therapy. Yeah.
Good. And you, madam?
I'm Diana.
And?
I'm an advocate. Yeah, if you have any issues, you know where to find me.
Guys, I'm the content creator. All those are my nieces. Walikubali kusoma. Mimi kidogo, I was like, it's never that serious. Yeah. I know. Even Hannah is saying that, and she's in.
And I'm not yet done.
Imagine. But don't worry.
In like a month's time.
Yeah.
I'm doing new.
I know, right? But you know, these days you can do anything. Content creation.
I would. By the way, I was thinking
Like now, there's this lady who does shops advertisement. So which way do you choose? Have you been to the road? You can decide to tell someone, give me your business, I advertise for you. And you know, she charges 10K per month. And she has like 5 shops there in town.
I was thinking of doing
She knows she has 50 Gs per month. Until you decide what you want to do, right? You are good. You know, you can also do sing. Do you guys know Hannah can sing? Did you know that?
You can.
I think I've heard her.
No,
She has a very
give us
sweet
one line.
But she does not have that courage. We just need to encourage you.
Okay.
No, we will push it. You just
You're
need that
feeling
motivation.
No, I'm not feeling shy.
Yeah, singing also. You can even be singing.
Yeah, that's true.
Even dancing. You see, Azia made it with dancing.
Yeah.
Dancing is not, as long as it's decent.
Yeah.
Hey, it's not bad. Hey, how far are we going, guys?
Yeah.
If you want to do your thing, you can come sit here.
Oh, wow.
If maybe you and Wajakoya, you can come. You go hand in hand. You can Wajakoya, but I don't know. But maybe it's for privacy. Yeah. So we go, guys. Or what do you think? We go eat. So let me. I don't know if they're animals. We didn't ask, but I don't think so.
But they said, Mom said last time
Yeah.
that they don't allow people outside.
This is actually the end of the trail.
So guys, do you remember how we go back? Cause me, I can't remember.
No, yeah.
Just straight.
Straight, and then there's a you turn to.
They don't allow people to come here in the evening.
Specific times, because I hear the animals.
So here, guys.
Because I think Explorer.
Oh, for people who want to do that 10K steps. Yeah, this is the thing.
Oh yeah, if you want to do your 10K steps, come to What's the name again? I keep forgetting.
Sorry?
What's the name of this place? It's called this place. This place is called.
Oh, this place.
It's Vicky's along Gong Suswa Road, Kimuka.
Yeah, you have it.
The Kikuyu won't leave me, eh? It wants to embarrass me.
It never leaves.
Yeah. It's like this way. Even me, Ama. Is it this way, Ama? This way. This way.
Okay, now it's off.
Get lost. No bad.
Okay, me I never saw. How do you turn it on?
It's on. It's working.
It's just working. Oh, you just tap.
We come. Huh?
Yes. Oh, sawa tunakuja.
You want us to we explore that side? We try explore no like.
We went like this.
Yeah, I feel like this is the way we should. Ukitaka kujionyesha ndio una turn.
Yeah, nimetana.
Alafu unapindua. Unajichukua hivi. I hope so. I really hope so. Go ahead. There's no this really.
Let's follow that noise.
Yeah, those guys.
But this is nice. It's nice. You know, sometimes you just need to take a walk. I think it's healthy, especially when you feel overwhelmed. You just walk. You walk. It's so therapeutic, and I'm here with a therapist. I'm sure she would say that.
Okay. Personally, I fear snake, any reptile, even the lizard. I don't like them.
Oh, actually, it's any crawling.
And you, Hannah, what animal do you fear the most?
Hey, snakes.
You fear snakes?
I have a phobia for snakes.
I fear the frog the most. I don't like the way it jumps like. It has no direction. It can jump on you, yeah.
Yani, these guys started eating without us when we were just there for a nature walk. Seriously, guys. But anyway, we enjoyed the meat. So soft.
Tunakunyosha. Anko tunakunyosha, si ukuje ukae. Naangalia chini kama mnaangusha.
Auntie Helen,
Inaendaje?
can play.
So who wants to?
How many people can play?
I'm game.
Your game?
I'm game.
Yeah, napenda.
So Carol, how do you play the game?
I'll explain Rokoteni kwanza.
Bea Diana anataka. Diongo jaribu hii.
Acha nicheze. Diana chukua yako. Mwingine.
Kim, you don't want to play?
Mwingine anaweza kuwa, mimi naweza kuwa banka.
Sawa. Na wewe ucheze kama
na kwa banka.
ndio pia our guide. Na ndio pia ni wapatie.
We need a honest bank.
Is it a monopoly? Kila mtu anichukue. I go. People always wananionea. Why do people look at your rules? Tushendo kwa nayo.
So tutafanya dice. Dice mwenye atakuwa na the highest ndo ataanza.
So the game is called Mali, is more like Monopoly. If you know how to play Monopoly, you can also play Mali. So Mali is more of Kenyan version of Monopoly. If you're interested in this game and many other, you can reach out to me and I will hook you up with my niece Caro, and she will be able to get you this game. If you're having family gatherings for us, we do alcohol-free gatherings for family, so we normally play games. That way we can connect more and just have a good time. As you can see, like I said, we were with our nieces. I was with my nieces and nephews, so we just have to be the parents we can be, trying to set good example. This is how we spend most of our family gatherings, by playing games, and you should try it. It's quite interesting, and the thought of just this game, I don't even know what to say. Just get this game and you will understand what I'm talking about. Yes, my brother won this game. My brother, the one in red shirt. But guys, do you know what he did? He played us. He played us in a playing game. In short, in Kenya, we say he thieved. We do not know how he managed that, but he played us. But anyway, what matters is the enjoyment. Watch this video until the very end as we cut the cake that had me heartbroken. Honestly, I don't know what happened to my cake. When we got to the venue, it was intact. But when the cake came onto the table, it was a mess. But anyway, what matters is of importance ni kushiba. That's what we say here in Kenya.
You just turned 18.
Let me tell you, these my family members, they really, really laughed at my cake. Yani, the cake was in a mess, and all they could do was laugh. Like, I was really, really heartbroken. I know I was not able to say this when they were there. I kept it cool, but deep inside, I was like, no, this is not happening. I really felt bad, but these guys were laughing. They were laughing at the cake. I'm telling you, hey. I know they're watching this, but you guys, my dear family members, my brothers and sisters, my sweet nephews and nieces, you just have to buy me another cake. Or just know how I'll get a cake from Auntie Eunice all the way from Kinangop to Nairobi, because you just have to.